Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5062660. Because of this error, that is your device is missing important security updates. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to pause and restart the update. So go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause option, hit pause, and once it is paused, this process may take some time, and then click on resume updates. And then you can check still not working. The next step is to start app readiness service. For this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Here you can see app readiness. Make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then update your Windows 11. Still not working. The next step is to restart Windows Update and background intelligent transfer service. For this, again type in services, scroll down. Here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click and then click on restart, and then find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then once this is done, click on OK. With this selected, make a right click, then click on restart, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5062660, and then click on search over here, and you will see your, please ignore this language, let me translate this. So Windows 11 version 24H2 for x64 based system. You can check what kind of system you have. You can go to system and then you can go to about. For me it's x64 bit. Now for this, for me Windows 11 version 24H2 x64 based. Now click on download, and then you can download this KB5062660. Click on it, and then you can install this update manually. Once this is complete, click on it and you can install this update manually, then restart your computer and then check. Still not working. Try this option, fix problems using Windows Update. So open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, update advanced option over here, scroll down, click on recovery option, and over here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now, and once the reinstall is complete, this process will take some time, and once this is complete, log into the computer and then check. Still not working. Next step is to reset Windows Update components. Now for this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy till here, and then type in Notepad in Windows search box, and then paste all these commands in Notepad. Go to file, save as. You can set the location to desktop. Name this file as wuauserv.bat, and then for save as type, select all files over here, and then you can save it. Go to desktop. You will see this wuauserv file. Make a right click on wuauserv file and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you open this as an administrator. Now here you can see, first of all, it will stop all the Windows Update services, and then if you see this prompt, type in Y for yes. It will stop all the Windows Update services, and then it will run some scans. Now there are a couple of scans. There are multiple scans. So the scan process will take some time. And once the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows Update services. And once that is done, this will automatically close, and or you can close it once it is done. Then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can update your Windows 11. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. So for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see, scroll down, media creation tool. Click on download now, and then run this exe file. Now once you run this exe file, and then you will see this screen. Click on accept over here, and then click on by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. select ISO file over here and then click on next, set the location to desktop and then click on save. Now let the download complete. This process will take some time, and then click on finish and let this close automatically. Do not close this manually, and then go to desktop, make a double click on desktop, like Windows ISO file on desktop, make a double click and then run this setup file, make a double click, click on yes to allow and then click on next over here, accept over here, and then here you will see the screen ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Then click on install. After the installation, log into the computer and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on a Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.